Our carnivore and grilling journeys go hand in hand. I started with small indoor grills and made my way through 2-burner grills, but 4-burner grills quickly became my favorite. I use a 4-burner grill as an all-in-one device for all of my grilling needs, including I've tried different kinds of 4-burner grills during the last decade, including Weber, Charbroil, Napoleon, and others. I tested their cooking capacity, searing power, and ease of maintenance. There are many 4-burner gas grill to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best 4-burner gas grill from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart 5-burner gas grill. The Cuisinart 5-burner gas grill is a versatile powerhouse for outdoor cooking enthusiasts of all skill levels, boasting 5 independently controlled burners that deliver a combined 50,000 BTUs across a spacious 460 square inch cast iron cooking surface. This grill ensures even heat distribution for perfect result. An additional 12,000 BTLI side burner expands your culinary possibilities, ideal for preparing sides or sauces. The grill also features a 202 square inch warming rack, providing ample space for keeping dishes at the perfect temperature. With its reliable twist-to-start ignition system, you'll be up and cooking in no time. 2 stainless steel side tables, each measuring 18 x 13 inches, offer convenient prep space right where you need it. Number 2. Dynaglow Premier 3-burner gas grill. The Dynaglow Premier 3-burner gas grill is a powerhouse of outdoor cooking performance, offering an impressive 396 square inches of primary cooking space that can accommodate up to 19 4-inch burgers simultaneously. With a total cooking area of 550 square inches, this grill provides ample room for all your grilling needs. At the heart of its cooking prowess is the innovative EquiHeat technology, which ensures even heat distribution across the entire grilling surface. Powered by 3 stainless steel tube burners, this grill delivers a robust 36,000 total BTUs for consistent and efficient cooking. The cast iron cooking grates are designed to retain and transfer heat directly to your food, resulting in perfectly seared meats and vegetables. Mobility is a breeze with 4 casters, 2 of which lock for stability when you found the perfect grilling spot. Number 3. Blackstone 4-burner flat-top gas grill. The Blackstone 4-burner flat-top gas grill revolutionizes outdoor cooking with its expansive 768 square inch flat top surface, perfect for crafting a wide array of dishes from breakfast to dinner. This versatile grill features 2 side shelves and a bottom shelf for convenient food prep and storage. Assembly is a breeze, and the battery-powered ignition ensures quick starts without the need for kerosene or matches. Cleaning up is effortless thanks to the patented grease management system, while 4 independent burners offer precise heat control for diverse cooking needs. The grill runs on propane with integrated tank storage for a sleek setup. Built to last, it boasts a powder-coated black steel frame, stainless steel burners, and a durable cold-rolled steel cooktop. Number 4. Captiva Designs 4-burner propane gas barbecue grill. The Captiva Designs 4-burner propane gas barbecue grill is a high-performance outdoor cooking solution that combines durability, versatility, and ease of use. Featuring upgraded porcelain-enameled cast iron grill grates, this grill offers superior heat distribution, non-stick properties, and resistance to rust and cracking. The spacious 545 seats to in cooking area, including a 400 SQ in primary cooking surface and a 145 SQ in warming rack, provides ample space for grilling various foods simultaneously, making it perfect for hosting BBQ gatherings. 4 stainless steel burners and enameled flame tamers ensure even heat distribution across the cooking surface. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the full-size pull-out oil drip tray, which efficiently collects grease and residue during cooking. Number 5. Monument Grill's larger 4-burner propane gas. The Monument Grill's larger 4-burner propane gas grill is a powerhouse of outdoor cooking, offering a total of 52,000 BTUs across 4 main burners and a side burner for an exceptional grilling experience. With a generous 542 square inches of total cooking area, including a 392 square inch primary cooking surface and a 150 square inch warming rack, this grill accommodates large gatherings with ease. The large storage cabinet conveniently houses your LP tank and provides ample space for grilling accessories. Enhancing your nighttime grilling sessions, LED control knobs offer improved visibility and create captivating ambience. The grill's spacious steel side shelves provide plenty of workspace for food preparation and plating. An electronic ignition system ensures quick and effortless starts every time. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.